YouTube, it's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. I got a special unboxing for you today. I can't wait to show you, but I gotta go get the box. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. And I'm back. Let's cue the logo though. All of you guys who follow me on Instagram, you can check it out right here or here. Those who were on my Insta story got a little sneak peek and was wondering what was in the box, so I'll show you guys. Let's check it out. Let's get it out of the box. Yes, it says engineered for flight. Jumpman himself. Wow, look at the interior of this box. Gorgeous. Love that red. Wow, look at that. Love that chrome. Tells you how to use this shoe. Air Jordan 33s. Ooh, them bad boys look beautiful. I'll take these out so you get a good view of what these bad boys look like. I don't know about you, but I haven't been excited about a pair of J's in a long time. And I think the reason I even was excited for these to come out was the new technology, how it was different. It was not quite like your typical J's. There's new technology. There aren't shoestrings. So you see this here? You literally pull on this and that tightens the shoe. And you can see in here, when I pull on that, you will see this and hear it click. So it just tightened the shoe. And so if you want to loosen the shoe, you just pull on that. Also, when you look, you'll see right here, it looks like a little string. Apparently from what I hear, it's parachute string. So if you could trust a parachute with that type of string, I think you're good. My favorite J's were the Concord 11s. At the bottom, let me know what your favorite J's were. Mine were the 11s. The Concords, to me, were the dopest pair to ever be brought out. I like the taxis as well. I like the 5s, the 19s, and the 17s. Those are my personal faves. And after that, I hadn't liked the pair in a long time. But these right here, I like it. I like the Nike Air in the back. Love that. And the gold accent on the black, love it. The big tongue, kind of reminiscent of the 3s to me. I love it. But other than that, that's a Jordan 33s for you. I'm gonna try them on and let you see what they look like on. Shout out to Stance Socks. Got them Black Panther joints on, the Wakanda's Forever. Ooh, those are sturdy. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, you can tell those got tight. Dang. And you can see right here, it says eject. Right there, it says eject. So if I want to loosen the shoe, I pull and it loosens it. Then you can use this strap to relax. been fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know, comment at the bottom. Let me know what you want to see. But it's time for me to go hit this gym. All or Nothing series is back on. You guys are gonna get more insight, more news, what's going on, what's just going on in my life. So stay tuned. Don't forget to smash the like button, share this content. We are going for 10K. Can y'all do that with me? Let's go. I'll holla.
Can anybody out there hear me?